Hello YouTube. I want to make a video about compost garbage bins, and I took them apart so now you can see what the inner garbage bin looks like, and those are the holes. There are also holes at the bottom, but they are all around, and I want to show you the liquid that is inside and the stones to keep the bins apart. So this is what I have inside. Just two simple rocks, and there's not a lot of liquid, but I am going to use it anyway because I have a little problem with my air stone. I try to clean it because it gets clogged by all the microorganisms. But I dropped it and then it broke, and I can plug this end and then it will work. But I am going to buy a new one. And because I broke my air stone, I just have the hose in there. I have a lava rock at the bottom connected to the hose for some extra weight so that it will stay down. But it is not working as well as the air stone. So today I'm going to buy a new air stone. Maybe that I can find a larger one. But I don't want to travel too far, so I'm not going to my most used pond supply store, because that is about 30 to 40 minutes away from here. But I'm going to a pet store that sells aquarium supplies. So I hope that I can find one that is big enough. But anyway, I'm going to put this liquid inside my barrel. I'm going to use it, and then I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to put my rain barrel taps. I'm going to install them today. That makes it a little bit easier to tap the liquid, because now I have to pick out the stones, and then I have to lift up the entire garbage bin to empty it, so that is not very convenient. Anyway, this is how it looks, and this is the inside. I have put the food that I made for the worms in there, and when I am done with installing the tap and cleaning and all that stuff, I will water it again so that I will get new composty. That's it for now, I am going to finish this video for now. Maybe that I will add some more later to it when it is finished, so that you can see the finished result. Okay, see you later.